Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to donate arrows in Kingshot. If you're wondering how to donate arrows in Kingshot, here's how it works. These special in-game resources are usually earned through intel missions, granting around 24 arrows per player daily, and are mainly used to upgrade Pitfall Bear Trap. To donate, start by heading to the top right corner of your screen, open the Events menu, look for the Bear Hunt or Pitfall Trap event. This is where all donations happen. Once inside, tap the Trap Enhancement button in the bottom right corner, then select Contribute. If you have hunting arrows available, you can donate them right away to help your alliance level up the trap. You also see bonus details, contribution rewards, and a total needed for the next upgrade. If you've run out of arrows, no worries, you can earn more through Watchtower intel missions. The higher your intel level, the better your chances of receiving arrows as rewards. And that's how you donate hunting arrows in Kingshot. Simple, helpful, and rewarding for both you and your alliance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.